am walking around the park. The park is very nice. The air is fresh today. I see many green trees. The flowers are beautiful. The sky is blue today. I hear the birds singing. The sun was warm. I feel happy here. I like this park. There is a small lake. I can see ducks in the water. Some children are playing. A man is running fast. A woman is walking her dog. Huh? I sit on the bench. The bed is under a tree. I watch people in the park. The park is clean and quiet. I take a deep breath. I enjoy my walk. It is a good day for a walk. I stop for a moment. The leaves are above me. A soft wind touches my face. The date is near the road.